The Department of Basic Education is facing a legal challenge over its decision not to publish the latest matric results on public platforms. In a statement last week, the department informed media houses that the move was in line with the Protection of Personal Information Act, or Popia Act, which came into effect in July last year. The South African National Editors Forum says the decision not to allow media houses to publish the results is not only unfortunate, but also came as a surprise, as there was no prior warning or consultation. SANEF says the lack of consultation also has negative financial implications for media houses that have already procured additional printing paper and created data sets to be able to publish the results in print and digital format. 3 organizations, including AfriForum, approached the courts to reverse the decision. Basic Education spokesperson Elijah Mhlanga says they're awaiting the court's decision on the matter. He spoke to SABC News after meeting with SANEF yesterday.
It was not a long meeting because everybody understood the complexity of the matter. The Director General, Mr. Matanzi Mamweli, led that meeting and confirmed to SANEF leadership that the department was facing a very complex and difficult decision to make following the implementation of the Protection of Personal Information Act as from July 2021, and that they had an impact on the way the department was doing business, and that the department needed to consider the long-standing tradition that you mentioned of publishing matric results via other platforms, including newspapers, but also having to comply with the act that is now coming into play. And he also mentioned to SANEF that we met with the information regulator, and we also met with our legal counsel to look into the matter to say what is it exactly that we need to do, what is the correct interpretation of this. So he told them the work that we have done. But it's not just the legal issues that are involved, it's also the administrative part in terms of ensuring that the data that we have as a department is accurate, and that we keep it safe, and that people's personal information is not compromised in any way. So the position is that the department is in court. There's a litigation against the department, and we are saying that we're going to wait for the court to make a ruling in that regard, and will abide by whatever decision that the court is going to make. So that's where things are, okay. And we will communicate same to the public.
Okay, and then this is obviously with SANEF coming out to say that it has negative financial implications for the various media houses that have prepped the way forward. So perhaps as we await that imminent decision, I wonder if we can then go back to the issue of support. Come Thursday, once the results are released, what sort of mechanisms and protocols have you also put in place to assist those as they receive their results, the psychosocial support, and then also as they head into entering the various tertiary institutions around the country?
Yeah, maybe before we even get to that, let's say that the results will be available at a school where the candidates sat for the exam, but over and above that, the department is going to make the results available on its website. You will have to register using your exam number as well as the ID number, and then you'll be able to view your results prior to you going to collect them at a school where you root. So there are those 2 platforms. The one is on the website, and the website is 0 rated, which means whether you have data or not on your device, you should be able to access the website and see the results. We have seen already since the announcement this morning, we've got over 2,000 people who have registered, and we encourage more to do the same, because it will enable you to see the results at the comfort of your own space. So once the results are out, you then look at them and see what they tell you. If you've done well, congratulations, you can then proceed to go wherever you wanted to go. But if you didn't, then you need to register for our Second Chance program, which is available to support learners that still need to upgrade or rewrite a subject or 2 or 3 or whatever the number it is that you will want to upgrade. But why we say they must go to school is because there are teachers there are other people. Do go with your family members as well, so that you're able to get the support. But we have our partner organizations that are on standby as well, who will provide counseling. We'll make the numbers available on the website, but others are on our other platforms. So they are there to provide counseling. But we appeal to all our candidates to remain calm, because the results are already there. Nothing will change, but harming yourself will not assist either. So remain calm. There are other opportunities that you could still utilize to improve your results. And we say, please go for that. It's at no cost to you. All you need is support from home, but the department has plenty material on various platforms that will assist you to progress and go on with your life in whatever way that you wish.